Welcome, and thank you for joining this presentation. We are going to learn about Biomart. The Biomart project provides free software and data services to the international scientific community in order to foster scientific collaboration and facilitate the scientific discovery process. Biomart is a freely available, open-source, federated database system. Here in SIP, breeders, scientists and investigators use it to search important information. They have more flexible access to the data they need to analyze. Which are the benefits of Biomart? Is easy to access and use. Biomart is a freely available open source, that means you can access to the source code. Biomart contains several levels of query optimization to efficiently manage large data sets. It contains several levels of security that allows you to control who can see the information. How Biomart helps at SIP. To provide data in a form that matches the specific needs of a group of users. Translated into real terms, this means that we can join information about morphological, healthy tuber trials and passport in the same table. We can join as many information as we want and export the data to analyze it. To give you an example, we have different type of information like molecular marker, morphological, late blight exposure trials, healthy tuber yield trials, etc., and we can join them. In that way we are working to have information about other experiments like dormancy, physiology, reproductive biology, etc. To upload information to Biomart we use a script. This system validates the information entered in the field books generated by data collector and upload it to Biomart. How to access Biomart? To access Biomart go to the following address. Now, we are going to talk about authentication. To access Biomart, please right-click on Login. Then enter your SIP account user, and your password. You can also use local accounts for external users. Depending on the user, you can control the accessibility and permissions. The permissions are given for the system administrator. Before start, there are some concepts we need to know. Filters, these are the restrictions for search results that obey the conditions set. To illustrate this point, we have country, India, locality, Ladol, year, 2011, leader, Carlo Carli, etc. Output, these are the attributes. They are displayed in the final result. An output checked by default is accession number. Unlike the filters, attributes do not restrict the results. This shows the selected dataset. This shows the database, filters and selected attributes. Authenticated username. Exercises. Now that we know the basis of Biomart, we can start to use it. Following your set of examples, we are going to do some of them. We are going to do exercise number 2. Example 1. Considering the assessments of quality, phytochemical evaluation, performed in La Molina, between years 2007 and 2009. A. What are the clones that have iron content higher than 18? B. What are the clones that have zinc content higher than 15? This is the main page. Please select experimental trials and then repetitions database. Please select Repetitions Database and Experimental Trial Dataset. Click on Next. For this example, we need to select our filters. For that, please click on Phytochemical Evaluation and then Phytochemical Clones. Our question says that we need to consider the assessments of quality performed in Lomelino between years 2007 and 2009. So select Lomelino as locality, then please select the years 2007, 2008, and 2009. Click on Next. For this example, we need to select our attributes. For that, please click on Phytochemical Evaluation and then Minerals. Please click on the white arrow to show the options. Our question says that we need to know which are the clones that have iron content higher than 18, and which are the ones that have zinc content higher than 15. Please select the attributes iron and zinc. Click on Results. Here we have the results of our search. The data can be sorted in ascending or descending order. By clicking on the column iron, the data will be sorted in ascending or descending order. Also, we can order by clicking on the column zinc. By clicking on Download Data, you can export your search to a TXT file that can be opened with Microsoft Excel. For this question, the answers will be A. The number of clones that have iron content higher than 18 are 63. B. The number of clones that have zinc content higher than 15 are 99. So, in this section, we've looked at the importance of Biomart. We have learned how to search information, and how to use the filters and outputs. It just remains for me to say, thank you very much for coming. And I hope you have found this presentation useful. If you have any questions, we'd be very happy to answer them.